This one, what can you write? This is basically, PV equal to nRT. So if you write PdV, so it will be nR. N is constant, R is also constant, and the number of moles. So it is what? nR. So it can be changed. So it is delta T. Okay. So this PdV can be written as nR delta T. In column. So what result will come here? NCP delta T equal to NCV delta T plus what? nR, it is delta T. Are you getting my point? Look at the board only, please. So N delta T, N delta T, N delta T will cancel everywhere. So it is Cp minus Cv equal to R. Simply. So this is very important result. Okay? Cp minus Cv equals to R. Any problem? Okay? Next, in terms of degree of freedom, Cv is given by Fr by 2. Remember this. Okay? So Cv, Cv equal to Fr by 2. You know this thing. F is what? F is degree of freedom. F is degree of freedom. This thing. Degree of freedom. F is degree of freedom. Fr by 2. Okay? And for Cp, in place of F, simply write F plus 2. Then you will get the result of Cp. Okay? In place of F, replace F by F plus 2 simply. Okay? So it will be what? It will be F plus 2 R by 2. Okay? Simply replace F by F plus 2. Okay? It is like this. So what can you write? Now if you take the ratio of Cp and Cv, then what result will come? Let us check. Okay? So number third point, Cp by Cv equal to, this is Fr by 2 and it is what? 2 by F plus 2. It is like this. F plus 2 R. You can write. Cp by Cv. You are writing Cp by Cv. So it's okay. It is now Fr by 2. So it is Cv. Here it is. You can write Cp. It is like this. It is correct now. Okay. And column. So this 2 and 2 will cancel out. And this R will cancel out. So it is how much? Cv by Cp equal to F upon F plus 2. Or you can divide Cp by Cv, okay? No problem. Either way result will come. So here just correct this Cp by Cv. So here also reverse. It will be F plus 2 by F. Now it is Cp by Cv equal to how much? It will be 1 plus 2 by F. Is it okay? 12. Okay? In column. So you can write this, and this result. This Cp by Cv is called adiabatic constant, that is represented by gamma. Okay? So it is gamma. Basically it is gamma. It is called adiabatic constant. Adiabatic constant. Okay? Therefore, gamma equal to 1 plus 2 by F. You can write this result also. So these results are very very important. Okay, and you will remember this thing. You can, if you